Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick fried rice. It's for a teriyaki chicken fried rice. Now I had some leftover teriyaki chicken and I wanted to add some rice to it and some veggies so that my son could have a really good meal to eat. So I'm sharing this quick recipe with you all. So what I did, I put some oil into my skillet and on a medium heat. We're going to let that heat up. And we're going to go in with some chopped onions, pimento peppers, broccoli and bell peppers, all finely chopped. If you want to add some more veggies in here, if you're making this, feel free to. You want to hide as much veggies as you can so that the kids eat properly. We're going to add some salt and allow this to cook until it starts to get tender and it smells very aromatic. So after about 5 minutes of cooking, we'll add in some minced garlic and shredded carrots. Give that a mix and allow this to cook for about 1 minute. Next, I'm going to go in with my chopped teriyaki chicken. I'm using, as I said, leftover, and I also have a recipe for this on my channel. So now I'm going to cook this with the veggies for about 5 minutes, and the sauce from the teriyaki chicken is going to flavor the vegetables further. So just allow it to cook in there until you see the carrot starts to wilt. And then add in your day-old rice. I'm using jasmine rice here. Feel free to use any type of rice you like. And I'll also go in with some chopped parsley, both the stalk and the leaves. And all you have to do now is toss. And incorporate that properly. And I'm going to finish with some pepper soy sauce. Just a little bit goes a long way, because the teriyaki chicken is very flavorful. So add that in and mix to combine. And once it's finished, you want to taste and adjust your salt, and then this is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick leftover recipe. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.